G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Bye!
Green. Red. Black. Pink. Orange. Blue. Purple. Brown. Yellow. Indigo. White. Green. Gray. Red. Blue. Rainbow. Green. Black. Pink. Orange. Purple. Brown. Yellow. Indigo. White. Rainbow. Green. Red. Black. Pink. Orange. Blue. Purple. Brown. Yellow. Indigo. White. Green. Gray. Red. Blue. Rainbow. Green. Black. Pink. Orange. Purple. Brown. Yellow. Indigo. White. Rainbow.
Bye!
Square. Star. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Diamond. Crescent. Arrow. Cross. Oval. Pentagon. Octagon. Heart. Square. Star. Triangle. Arrow. Cross. Oval. Pentagon. Circle. Rectangle. Diamond. Crescent. Octagon. Heart. Square. Star. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Diamond. Crescent. Arrow. Cross. Oval. Pentagon. Octagon. Heart. Square. Star. Triangle. Arrow. Cross. Oval. Pentagon. Circle. Rectangle. Diamond. Crescent. Octagon. Heart.
Bye!
Welcome to the Monster Truck Shape Jump Challenge. Yay!
Bolt is gonna jump over 10 shapes today, and he needs you to cheer him on.
Woohoo!
Bolt is excited and ready to jump.
Yippee!
What shape will he jump first? It's a square. A square has 4 sides. Square. Do you think Bolt can do it? That jump was too easy sneezy for Bolt.
Yay!
Well, it looks like they're adding a circle to the jump. A circle is round. Circle! Can Bolt clear them both?
Uh-oh. Vroom, vroom!
Amazing!
Whoa!
Well, it looks like they're adding a triangle to the jump. A triangle has 3 sides. Triangle. Can he do it?
Uh-oh. Aha! Oh, yeah! I got this!
Incredible! He is on a roll tonight.
Yeah!
Wow, they're loading up a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 short and 2 long. Rectangle.
Power wings, activate!
Yay!
Wowza! This show is Jumptacular!
Yippee!
Yikes! They are pulling out the diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. Diamond! This is intense!
Power propeller!
Ta-da!
Holy moly!
Yeah.
Bolt is full of surprises! Wait, what's this? An oval? They have added an oval! Oval! Looks like it could topple over.
Uh-oh.
All power engage!
Yay!
That was close! But Bolt is not done yet.
Whoa.
Wait, is that a banana? Oh, it's a crescent shape. Same thing, I guess. Ha ha ha! Crescent!
Woohoo! Good thing I'm not afraid of heights!
This is so exciting!
Wow.
Uh-oh, here comes the octagon! An octagon has 8 sides. Octagon!
Tires engage!
Ta-da!
I have never seen tire boosters, folks!
Wahoo!
What a show! Looks like they're loading up a heart. I guess they are feeling the love tonight. Heart.
Woohoo!
Let's all show Bolt some love.
Whoa!
Whoa! Bolt barely made it over this time.
Wow.
Looks like they have one more shape in store for Bolt. A star! Can Bolt continue to be the star of this show?
I don't know about this one. I will just have to do my best. Woohoo! Balloons!
Bolt Bolt has done it, folks! He has jumped over 10 huge shapes! Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond, oval, crescent, octagon, heart, and star. Monster truck history has been made here today. All jump records are broken. Hey, Bolt, where are you going? Bolt? Bolt? Guess he will have to get his Big Jump Award another time. Until then, Monster Truck fans, keep on trucking and learning those shapes.
Wahoo!